How do I detect the Python version at runtime? I have a Python file which might have to support Python versions is lower than 3.x and is greater than or equal to 3.x. Is there a way to introspect the Python runtime to know the version which it is running, for example, 2.6 or 3.2.x?
Sure, take a look at system.version and system.version_info. For example, to check that you are running Python 3.x, use here, system.version_info 0 is the major version number. System.version_info 1 would give you the minor version number. In Python 2.7 and later, the components of system.version_info can also be accessed by name, so the major version number is system.version_info.major. See also how can I check for Python version in a program that uses new language features.
Persist.hex version and API and ABI versioning.
Try this code, this should work. The best solution depends on how much code is incompatible. If there are a lot of places you need to support Python 2 and 3, 6 is the compatibility module. 6.py2 and 6.py3 are two booleans if you want to check the version. However, a better solution than using a lot of if statements is to use 6 compatibility functions if possible. Hypothetically, if Python 3000 has a new syntax for next, someone could update 6 so your old code would still work. This URL?